I was about to cry when a customer said, I think we have made a mistake by associating with your company. Look at your pricing. आप सोना बेच रहे हो क्या? Your competition is ready to work on my pricing. But I am giving you the last chance to work on your pricing and get back to me. This was the customer who was contributing almost 20% to our business and was recently handed over to me from my manager. Initially, after the discussion, I felt like I do not have any other option than to readjust my pricing to maintain the relationship with this customer. I discussed the same with my manager and he said, yes, this is a high maintenance customer, the kind of customer who requires lots of your attention and may sometimes complain in an illogical manner. But Deep, you have to handle it your own way. While thinking about the solution to come out of this situation, few learnings from my MBA days came to my rescue. Here's how I implemented those learnings to sail through this situation. Hello everyone, I am Deep Shah and welcome to our channel Experience Candles. So here's first learning is to develop alternatives. तेरे मांगण अनेक तो मेरे भूप अनेक. If you have many people ready to do business with you, I also have many customers with whom I can do business with. The incident with the customer opened my eyes to develop new customers and diversify my customer base. Second learnings, have an open-minded conversation. बात करने से ही बात बनती है. I met this customer in person and realized that the real issue was not pricing but the person with whom he was dealing with. He was regularly in touch with my manager and was very comfortable dealing with him. The change in salesperson made him little uncomfortable. During the course of time, I made frequent visits to him and resolved his queries. This helped me to build a relationship with the customer. Third learning is be assertive and not aggressive. Suno sabki, karo man ki. This customer provoked me many a times by comparing myself with my manager. However, I made my stand very clear and helped the customer within the framework of company policy. This helped me to retain my values and maintain my ethics. What are your experiences in dealing with high maintenance customers? I am looking forward to your ideas, stories and suggestions in comment section. If you like our content, please subscribe and share in your groups. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.